Hi everyone, welcome back to Science at Home, and for today we will be discussing the concept of the human organismal biology. Now this refers to the interaction of how the organ systems work together to perform the physiological needs of an organism. Now it is important to consider that each of the organ systems tends to perform a specific function in the human body. Now let's get started. First, we have the integumentary system, wherein it is the one responsible for the protection against injury and other infections, wherein it is primarily composed of the skin. Now, the skin is attached to the muscular system, in which it helps in providing support and structure within the body. Now, most of the muscles are attached directly to the bones, which are part of the skeletal system. The interaction between the bones and the skeletal muscles helps in providing the physical movements. Meanwhile, there are also other bones in the body that are responsible for the protection of organs, such as the skull, which protects the brain, and the other sense organs such as the eyes, as well as the ribcage, which protects the heart and the lungs. In line with this, the heart and the lungs work together to perform the respiratory and circulatory functions of the body. The lungs is considered as the major organ for respiration, wherein it is the one responsible for providing gas exchange between the blood and the environment. Wherein, as the gas exchange in the blood, it is being distributed within the heart. Wherein, as we all know, the heart is the major organ for the circulatory function of the body. The heart carries out its circulatory function by carrying blood coming from the different parts of the body and distributing it vice versa. The blood vessels, such as the veins, brings blood from the different parts of the body into the heart. Meanwhile, the arteries brings blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Take note that the blood transports nutrients, gases, hormones, and wastes throughout the different parts of the body. On the other hand, the digestive system is the one that breaks down food and absorbs nutrients that are necessary for growth and maintenance. It is comprised of different accessory organs such as the liver, as well as the alimentary canal, which starts with the ingestion of food in the mouth, down to the esophagus, which brings the food into the stomach for further digestion, and within the small and large intestines, which absorbs nutrients and water. Moving forward with the excretory system, with the kidneys as its main organ, wherein it filters out cellular wastes, toxins, and other excess water and nutrients within the blood, which comes out of the body as a urine, as well as the large intestine, which excretes feces out of the body. Lastly, we have the nervous system, which relays signals through the body that direct behavior and movement, wherein it is being carried out by both the brain and the spinal cord as the central nervous processing system, which is connected to the different nerves that are distributed throughout the different parts of the body as part of the peripheral nervous system. Also, the different sense organs are regulated by the nervous systems, such as the eyes for seeing and the ears for hearing. So that concludes our episode for today. This is your Sir Dave saying keep safe and always have fun learning science at home. Goodbye!